Well, it feels like I haven't posted in about a minute, but it's been a while. I'm around, just haven't done anything fun to really share and say, hey, look what I've been doing, because it's the same old stuff over and over again. I've been printing these. I've been printing some Yankee ones. Thankfully, my Etsy shop's been kind of busy, so just keeping busy with that. So I haven't really been able to print anything fun, unfortunately. I still have the Enterprise stuff from Star Trek. I'm still working on. Sup, Dragonfly. But I haven't really worked on it because I haven't been able to. Luckily, it's a good thing. The V400's been quiet. Haven't really done anything with that because I just haven't. You ever get into that creative funk? That's where I'm at right now. I just have nothing to do. I don't know. But I have been tweaking some stuff down here. I've got my printers on that IKEA bench. I forget the name of it, but I got one of those. And then I just got another one to expand the workspace a bit, make it a little easier to work, gives me a nice little flat surface. I picked the Ender 3 up off the floor. So now that's going. That did not print on the Ender 3. Don't even think that happened there. But the Ender 3 is there. It's not hooked up. I might hook it up just for shits and gigs. I mean, it's kind of hard from going from, I don't know, Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon to an Ender 3, but it might be might be fun. Or maybe I should just put like an A1 here. What do you think? So yeah, I've been working on some other projects, the DeLorean, some Lego, but other than that, yeah, I've been printing, just not posting. Got nothing fun. Sorry. But I'm here. Cool.